Well, first of all, buckle myself in. Safety first. So, as you can see, I've retest fitted the engine. A few main reasons for that. I need to test fit the turbo and the manifold. After receiving the manifold, I've had the turbo quite a while. I've also want to check a few clearance issues, and also possibly mock up where the breather system is going to be, oil lines, etc. I've had some clearance issues with the alternator, so it's been brought to my attention that I need to get an innovative relocation bracket for the alternator from H-Tune. So I'll be hitting you up soon, so keep an eye out. Furthermore from this, you'll probably see in the video that I'm going to clock the turbo some more because it's not quite in the right position that I want. So if you want to know how to do that, I haven't got a clue myself, but I'm going to give it a go. We'll see how it goes. Other than that, the other things I need to do at the car is a lot of blocking and sanding once I've done some fillering. I need to finish off a bit of fiberglassing. I've completed the shifter install, so the cables are now through the floor with the proper grommet in place, so they're about ready to go.
And his name is...
Hello, I'm Paul.
I need to clock the turbo because it's pointing in the wrong direction. So as you'll see in a second, the sort of directions that we're going with it, you'll see me rotate the turbo around the cold side so I can get the boost out to the intercooler properly. And yeah, let's have a look. So as you can see from where the manifold sits, the turbo's pointing too much towards the block. So what I need to do is I need to rotate this to more down this sort of angle. So I need to undo all the bolts on the back of the cold side, and it should spin freely, and then I can tighten them all back up and we should be golden. Now as you can see, the turbo now spins. So the angle that I'm looking for might be different for you. It's more so like that. So we set it up so that as if that would be flat towards the block. This needs to be pointing more down and towards the front of the car. I'd say that's about right for me. So now just tighten them all back up. Check, make sure the turbine still spins freely. So I just want to add, when you're tightening them back up, you want to do them on opposites just to keep it even pressure, because if you do it on one way round, one side will tighten up more than the other and it might put it on a funny angle, so we don't want that. Now that we've clocked it, we've tightened it back up, we just need to make sure it still spins, which it does, nice and freely, no issues. The other way to do this is by undoing the bolts on the exhaust side. If you need to clock around where your inlet and your the outlet for the oil, also for the cooling system. So take note and be careful, otherwise you could cause damage to your turbo. So that's it for now, we'll get it back in. See how she fits.
For some reason, that's decided that your ass looks like a face and he wants to focus on it.
That's like a bag of washing.
go, Rick!
As you've seen, we've clocked the turbo, so it's at the right angle for me now. We've sort of mocked up where the intercooler's going to go, but as you can see, she's offset. So I'm going to have one end of this flipped, so they both enter at the same side. Moving on from that, I still need to order the relocation bracket for the alternator. So here soon, like I said before, I will be seeing you soon. We just want to do a quick few shout outs. So we've got Potsy, the Geordie, don't want to say too much. We've got Dan AYP and Roadblock. So Dan AYP or Dan Ipe, I'm not too sure, so it's Dan underscore AYP and Roadblock TV. Both have awesome videos, go and give them a watch and enjoy. Thank you very much.
Where's the like, comment, subscribe? It's YouTube, you've got to do like, comment, subscribe. Because you do.
Do that again.
No, just like, comment, subscribe.
Like, comment and subscribe would help us out a lot. We're just over 120 subscribers, I believe. So more is always a bonus. Thank you very much. See ya.
Hello, I'm Paul.